44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue gang don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
There. But yeah, man, the way this truck is put together, this is the way I would put a truck together. Yeah, like sure. I done seen a lot of them where the wheel, most of the wheel be out here. Well, I don't like that. Yeah. This right here is like perfect. It's not too high, it's not too low. The wheels sit right. I like it, man.
You can't go wrong with the forges.
Nah, you can't. And I think these are the same forges I got on my car.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
Yeah, same forges I got on my car.
Place the same.
And we, you know, else got to spin. Got to. Yeah, that's crazy, man. If you have not hit the like button on this video, please do so. Because if not, when you're asleep, this spider will crawl across your face.
Yeah, this thing is a monster, man. That's why.
That's crazy.
I had to get it. It was only right, you know. I had to get this thing, and I was like, you know, got the Hellcat.
Yeah.
Like, you know, we got the Durango. It's like, so next thing you know, we need a truck.
Right.
I need a truck. And so this came available. I was like, shh, sign me up.
Yeah. This is dope, man.
Yeah.
I like it. I like what's I never noticed this right here.
All the wording?
Yeah.
Yeah, all the wordings on there, you know. This is the wordings of my brother. You know?
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
Especially this, that stand out.
Yep.
Him and
Champagne.
yeah, him an organic guy. Hey, I caught myself using that word one day, and I was watching them so much. I caught myself using that word, and I was like, man, I can't do that.
Yeah.
Like, nah, I'm not using it. And I kept making. I was editing when I was using it. Right. Like I would cut it out. You know what I mean? And nobody never knew I was using it. But I'm like, man, I can't be like Mook. Yeah. I done said that a couple times. I'm like, man, I can't be stealing their stuff. Man, but it's catchy though.
Right.
It's catchy.
That's my cameraman right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
oh, he got here kind of quick.
Yeah. But nah, you know, like I want to do some stuff to it and like make it a little bit different, you know.
Yeah.
Obviously, like the gold, man, that's one thing you just like can't go away from the gold, bro.
Exactly. Nah, it's
like a big brick.
Man, as soon as I turned the corner, I seen that as soon as I turned the corner. But that gold and red go perfect, man.
We're gonna save all the good details for you for your next video when you actually drive this thing.
Yeah.
That way you can share it with them and show them everything.
Yeah. 44 gang. Is it dark?
No, it's fine.
It's dark in here. 44 gang, man. As y'all can see, man, I am in. I ain't even asked him. Do Jeremy got a name for the truck yet?
Not yet.
Oh well. Right now it's still Ramreazy, right?
Yeah.
I guess I'm in the Ramreazy 2.0, man. Hey, this truck is crazy, man. This truck is crazy. My favorite thing about this is this screen. That's what I actually liked about the Ram. But these, cause all of them didn't come with this. But this is the Ram Rebel. You understand me? This is not just a regular 1500. This is the Rebel. So but yeah. But
Hold real quick.
So we should be good.
We were an hour late. When we came down here, it was actually an hour late.
This is crazy, man. I'm sitting up high right there. Like this is something I have to get used to. But I like though. It's crazy.
So you're you're right here late.
Okay. I always wondered how these trucks would feel, how they ride with these tires on.
Yeah.
It ain't bad. You can earn them, but that's no big deal to me. I always got my music on. So, but they ride good. That's crazy. I'm in this truck, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to Jeremy Barrett's channel, man. Life of Jeremy Barrett. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to his channel, man. We came down here. They showed us nothing but love, man. Nothing but love, and was like pretty much like we made ourselves at home. You know what I mean? We felt like we was at home. You know what I mean? So big shout out to them. What's our family, Tammy?
Barrett's World.
The Barrett's World.
And y'all,
Do I get on the freeway?
Yep.
The Barrett's World. Y'all subscribe to. We gonna get some content in because y'all know we got a family channel too. So we
We'll have
gonna
to get the families together.
we definitely gonna do that.
Those 2 3-year-olds versus each other.
right, and y'all, Melissa's in the back. She's gonna take over. I know y'all see all of our junk. I'm sorry. She's gonna take over and drive us back. She just make sure we get to the airport. Y'all, what's the airport? Is it the airport this way or that way?
Oh, that way, straight ahead.
I'm so lost.
Oh, how many airports is it? It
You
was
guys
like,
going to Sky Harbor, right? Sky Harbor.
Is that where we at? Sky Harbor? They got American?
Yes, Sky Harbor. Yeah.
That's where you're going.
No.
Wherever you want to go. You're going to be on this for a hot second.
Oh.
I guess I'll get us checked in our flight. Okay, so gang, we're on our way to the airport.
We actually at the airport pretty much.
Yeah.
I see the planes. But I'm still like and like can't believe that I'm driving this truck right now. Can't believe it.
United Airlines.
What's crazy, I used to work on planes. And this was my first ever flight. And I used to work on those.
Why don't you tell them exactly what you used to do? Because they're going to think mechanical. So go ahead.
Oh,
Go ahead
you
and
gonna
give
do
us
me like that?
Okay, never mind.
I was like Cole. I used to clean the planes. I used to clean them. I was the one when y'all leave y'all little blankets and pillows. I come pick them up, put them in a plastic bag.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Vacuum out the plane. That's what I used to do.
I'm sorry. You can cut this out if you want to.
Nah.
Okay.
Nah, because if I used to work on planes, then that's something I'd still be doing because that pay good.
Yeah.
If I was mechanically working on planes, that pay real good. So, I'm this way or that way.
Terminal 4.
Yeah, it was
Then
two.
keep going straight.
Yeah.
It's two different.
We're about to get back home. Oh, God.
When we get home,
our kids.
What time is it here? It's 6:20 here. When we get home, it's gonna be 11, like midnight almost.
So it's 6:20 here. Well, pretty much 6:20. So it's 8:20 there.
All right.
What gate are we at? We're at gate number. Oh God, phone is hooked up.
You want to be
Gate.
in departures, just
Gate.
so you know, like straight.
Okay.
Oh, I'm all up on you, my bad.
So this is officially my second flight ever that I'm about to take. I'm not as nervous as the first time.
Mm-hmm.
That first time, it was bad because there was a lot of turbulence.
Straight ahead, yep.
It was a lot of turbulence, man, because it was raining in Dallas when we left.
It was. So this will be better.
And we were sitting in the back. I think the airport is the hardest thing to maneuver. Like
Yeah, it's kind of confusing how they're set up.
that and downtown.
It's 11. Gate 11.
American's
11.
right here on your right.
Right here.
Oh, I passed it.
Nope,
No,
right
you're
here.
fine. Yeah, you just
Right
let
here
us
at the store.
right here. So we're gonna get out and head on into the airport.
Man, this thing is extremely dark. Bye-bye, Phoenix. This is officially my second time ever being on a plane, bro. So this is still kind of new and nervous to me. Oh, we going up. Oh, we going up. Yes, sir. We up there. Oh, why are you rocking like that? Bro, I don't see how people fly constantly, bro. This is like crazy. Like, ain't no way I can constantly do this, bro. This is crazy. Man, he turning. Like, we sideways right now. He turning the plane around, so it's crazy. So, man, I don't even know if y'all can, I don't even know how loud I'm talking because my ears done popped. We make it back to the airport in Dallas, man. The worst thing that happened, the worst thing that could have happened, which is, hold on, I think that was, let me show y'all this. First off, y'all see this? This is not my key. This is my guy in Phoenix key. I have his key still with me, so I gotta try to mail it off. So I get back to Dallas. And bro, I have lost my key to my car, to my Magnum. If y'all know, that key wasn't on my key ring, cause I'm not trying to carry three keys. Oh, that's my daddy calling. Yeah, so like I was saying, man, lost my car key. Man, I ain't gonna say I'm mad, but I'm frustrated. Like, I'm just frustrated right now. I'm at the point where I try to control my attitude now, but I mean, you gonna get frustrated. It's one of them times where I rock with Fashion Nova. Like, I like Fashion Nova. I rock with them. I ain't got nothing negative to say about them. But these pants, man, I swear, bro, I lost my AirPods and I lost my key because the pockets on these pants they not deep at all, bro. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. Look at this. I'm gonna put my phone in my pocket. Look, as far as my phone go, it don't even go. Look, it don't even go down. Pocket not deep at all. I hate that, bro. Fashion Nova, y'all need to fix that. Like, for real. But it's like midnight, man. I'm ready to go home. But yeah, that's the worst thing that could have happened, man. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can do, man. See if somebody come to get us or what, I don't know. 44 game, man. Y'all can see. First off, y'all see what's going on here, man. We're finna be a whole lot of 2K on this PS5 going on. But man, if y'all can see in that video, man. First off, appreciate everybody that watched it, that stayed tuned. You know what I mean? That's still tuned in right now. Appreciate y'all. But as y'all can see in that video, bro, it was like that day was everywhere because me and Jeremy shot like, man, we tried to shoot like 3 videos. Well, him 4 videos. 3 videos in a matter of 2 hours. You know what I'm saying? We tried to shoot like 3 to 4 videos. Well, really 4 because I was with him on the other video. I just didn't record because that was his video. But yeah, we tried to shoot like 4 videos in 2 hours, bro. So driving the truck, I had to squeeze that in. We was actually supposed to do a video on me driving the truck, but the only way I was able to drive the truck was to the airport, and we was running late because of the other video. So it was like we just had to jump in the truck, and him and wife had to record me. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't really get to just experience it the way I wanted to, or bring y'all the content the way I really wanted to bring it, because we didn't really have the time. So this was all I got. And then on top of that, everything that happened once we got to the airport, man, that was crazy because I lost my AirPods in Jeremy's car, which he mailed them to me. And I had my guy key, you know what I'm saying? And I lost my key to my Magnum. So my car was stuck at the airport for 4 days. Now, I didn't fly. I don't fly like that. You know what I'm saying? So that was my first time flying. So I didn't even know how much it cost to park at the airport. But long story short, man, I ended up paying $100 because I left my car there. I didn't go pick my car up until Monday. I could have picked it up Sunday, but I didn't go until Monday or Tuesday to pick it up. Now, I went Monday. I parked it there Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, Monday. I could have went Sunday, or I could have just got it Saturday. You know what I'm saying? I could have, we could have we could have went to the house, got my other key, came back and got it Saturday, but I ain't even know, bro. I went to go pick my car up. The dude, when I'm coming out the airport, dude told me $100. I was like, oh man, like, bro, I could have been came and got this car. It's $25 a day to park at the airport, bro. Y'all didn't know. Y'all need to know that. You know what I'm saying? So from here on out, I'm gonna find other ways around parking at the airport where I ain't gotta do that. You know what I'm saying? But all in all, man, I had a good time out in Phoenix, man. That was crazy. If y'all don't know why it was so big on me driving that truck, number one, is because that was Tall Guy truck, but now it's Jeremy truck. You know what I mean? You know, that's his brother. If y'all didn't know that, if y'all didn't know this, y'all should know this, man. But that's Tall Guy brother, first of all. And that truck was like, man, when he built that truck was crazy. So it was like, man, it's my first time seeing this truck in person. Like, let alone seeing it, I'm about to drive it, bro. It was like crazy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how it is with Tall Guy, with me, man. That's pretty much who I came up watching YouTube. So it's like, that was kind of like a big deal. But it's Jeremy truck now, man, and it's still a legendary truck. You know what I'm saying? He finna make it more legendary. He gonna do his own thing to it, put his own touches on it. But yeah, that truck was dope, man. That truck is really, really, everything looks better in person, bro. Like, cameras don't do nothing no justice, man. That truck is like pressure, bro. Like, seriously, that truck is crazy. But yeah, man. But we had a good time out there, man. Even though I losing my key and I was frustrated that night, man. I'm not gonna lie, I was frustrated that night because I was ready to get home. That was on a Saturday. Y'all know I had to be up at like 7 in the morning to go to church. So that night we didn't get into bed until 3:30 or 4 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? So it was crazy, man. We had to leave the airport like 1 in the morning. We left the airport like 1 in the morning. My mom came and picked us up. We had to go to her house, pick up our kids 1 in the morning, drop my mom off, you know what I'm saying, then take her car, you know what I'm saying, back to the house, you know what I'm saying. It was just bad, bro. It was just a messed up night, you know what I'm saying. Fortunately, we had a way home and all this, and then we didn't have to pay no Uber or nothing like that. But it was crazy, bro. I don't want to go through nothing like that no more. Everybody, put your keys on your keychain, bro. Put your key on your keychain so you don't be losing your key, because that was bad. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I appreciate y'all watching this video, man. Even though it ain't what I really wanted it to be. That's why it took me so long to post this video, man, because I wasn't happy with it. But at the end of the day, it was better than nothing, and I did get to drive the truck, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just bringing that to y'all, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, so I got to go get my key done. I still haven't went and got my key. Is it raining? I think it is. I still haven't went and got my key made for my Magnum. I gotta go do that. But right now, I'm actually in the process of doing something else right now. I'm waiting on a phone call. But I'll tell y'all about that later. But hey, man, I appreciate y'all watching, man. Make sure y'all like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel. Browse the channel, man. Go check out some of my older videos. But like this video. Hit that like button on this video right now, man. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all know how I end all my videos, man. In the meantime, in between time, to the next video, holla at your boy, I'm out. Yes, sir.